What is digital marketing topics? Digital marketing training course content. Search engine optimization. Social media marketing, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, etc. Social media optimization. Affiliate marketing training. Content marketing. Pay-per-click. Local business marketing. E-commerce marketing training. Video marketing. Drop shipping training. Website building with WordPress, including hosting and domain. How to earn money online. Who is eligible for digital marketing? Any individual who is 16 years and above can apply for the program. More details visit our website https://eonlinecotraining.com/.